My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Family Protector. This particular extension is described by its authors as the extension that can help ensure the safety of children and protecting the browser from illegal or junk or filthy websites. Maybe this feature is good for some people, but the problem with this extension is that it is often spread through integration with many free applications. So in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So if this family protection was installed into your Google Chrome, you also may see a lot of unwanted advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. In other words, the extension has got the features of adware, so you should remove it from your Chrome. Access the menu, more tools, extensions, then when you find this extension, disable and remove it. To make sure that your computer is free of other possibly hidden threats, please consider researching it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.